How to fix comments failed to post on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix comments failed to post issues on Facebook app. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Try reloading Facebook and see if the issue is resolved. If that didn't work, you need to close and restart Facebook. You can easily close the app from the background and relaunch Facebook and try commenting again. The next step to follow is clearing cache and data. Long press on Facebook app icon, tap App Info. Now tap on Storage Uses and tap on Clear Cache. Reopen Facebook and log in again. If that didn't help, you can reinstall Facebook. By following this step, you can easily fix comments failed to post on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.